Sparks cause fires. Fires? Well, they cost money, create high insurance premiums, and provide sleepless nights. For those reasons, millions of dollars are spent each year in expensive spark detection and extinguishing systems. And when you have a lot of combustible material in the airstream, those systems are the best way to go. However, when your application is more related to sparks from metal grinding, cutting tables, and welding, a spark trap is a great option, as long as it's the right spark trap. All spark traps aren't created equal. Looking inside, the problem with most spark traps is they swirl the air. Many forget that the ember travels with the air with a relative velocity of 0. As we can see, this little spark made it through just fine. Well, that isn't a problem anymore with the real spark trap from Legend APC. Its patented technology tumbles the ember through a tortuous path, forcing contact with more oxygen and allowing more time for the spark to burn out. Because of the custom cone and the inset outlet design, our spark trap effectively eliminates sparks before they exit the trap, and thus it can be installed right at the dust collector, adding convenience and eliminating distance requirements. Once extinguished, the bigger pieces of debris fall to the bottom of the trap and exit through a dropout chamber. Spark problem solved. For applications with heavier debris, bigger pieces can fall to the bottom of the trap. For this reason, Legend APC offers an optional dropout tube and capture canister. Many customers find the Legend APC spark trap serves as a separator, reducing the amount of debris that needs to be contained in the collector, thus saving on replacement filter cost. While a lot of spark traps may look the same on the outside, it's what's on the inside that counts. Know the difference and get the real spark trap from Legend APC.